Hey, what's up, guys? So I just got back from the beach, had a great day out with my daughter, and I was talking with one of my friends just a little bit ago, and they were saying about how they're doing this cleanse right now, and how one of the hardest parts about it is at the end of the day they can't have their glass of wine. You know, at the end of the night they always are used to having their glass of wine, and how that's one of the hardest parts for them. And I was thinking about that, and I was like, and I remember how for a long time in my life, I remember that's how I used to be as well. At the end of the it was just habit. And it was just like it become a part of my life. I used to always look forward to that glass of beer, that glass of wine, or several, and it was the thought of going like doing some kind of like 30-day cleanse or week-long cleanse without it was like, oh my gosh, I can't do it just because of that. I got to give up drinking for like a week or a month or something. Like, nah. And that would be enough to not even want to do whatever I was gonna do. Because of the fact that it was like you had to give up drinking for a short period of time. Just a short period of time, and I remember how it was just like no matter when I went out to eat or what, it was just like having that drink, looking forward to it so much was just it just become like ingrained as a part of my life and a part of my way of living. And without it, it felt like such a sacrifice. I'm like life couldn't be as much fun without it or as enjoyable. And how far I've come, and it's been almost 2 years now. Since I've had any alcohol at all, and it's funny because um, now I mean like weeks and months fly by. I don't even think about the fact that I'm not drinking. Weekends go by all the time where I don't even think about it. Like, oh wow, I didn't even, just didn't even cross my mind about drinking. Where before it was kind of like, all right, going out to Chili's, got looking forward to getting my BOGO, buy one get one, drinks or happy hour specials or whatever. Where now it's like, I go out to eat, hang out with friends, family, whatever, and it just doesn't even cross my mind. Even if other people are drinking or whatever, it just doesn't even register. I just don't even think about it, the fact that I'm not drinking anymore. And so I just wanted to share that, because I know sometimes in the beginning it can kind of seem like, it can seem like this journey and this sacrifice to have to live without drinking. But eventually, you just get used to sober living. And it doesn't even, it gets to the point where it doesn't even require willpower not to drink anymore. Because it's just become ingrained in who you are, just sober living. And you don't even think about it. Like, it doesn't take any willpower now for me to go out to dinner and to not drink. It doesn't even cross my mind. Like, I don't even think about, the concept of ordering a beer. I'm just going out for dinner, because it's been so long now. And so that's all. I just want to share that, some long-term inspiration that eventually, as you stick with it and you just focus on day by day, that eventually, it does get simpler and easier. And before you know it, you've just created a new identity and a new habit, a new way of living, a new lifestyle, and you just won't even think about it anymore. It's just who you are, and it'll require no willpower, no effort, not to drink. It's just who you are, and I'm glad I don't drink. I save a lot of money and all the other benefits, of course, and I don't, and I'm happy. I have a lot of peace in my life. So, just some long-term inspiration for you guys. I hope you're all doing well, and keep staying strong. And until next time, guys, let's have a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. See ya.